Well, good morning. And I say it's a good morning because the sun is out today. Today I am heading down to Chattanooga, Tennessee, which is about 90 miles south of where I live, to meet the Georgia photographer, David Sailors, okay? David is going to take me on a photo walk in Chattanooga. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and David kind of heard me say that in one of my videos. So he graciously invited me down today to do a photo walk with him. So let's go to Chattanooga and see what we're going to find today. Now today, my camera of choice is the Nikon Z50 Mark II. And I've only brought one lens. I brought the 16-50 kit lens. And the reason why I only brought one lens is I wanted to do a minimalist type of walk, okay? David said we're probably going to be walking 5 or 6 miles today, and we'll probably do all that in about 3 or 4 hours. So I wanted to be light on my feet. I didn't want to have to be fumbling around with a bunch of camera gear and what have you. So I decided that this was the day I was only going to bring the one camera and the one lens. Now I did put the FTZ2 adapter in my bag. I'm using the Mirrorless Mover 30 by Think Tank. It's like a small messenger bag. But I did put the FTZ adapter in there because David is supposed to be bringing me a 28 millimeter 2.8 Nikon AIS lens, which is a manual focus lens. So this is something new for me. I have not done a lot of manual focusing in my photographic endeavors, if that's what you want to call them. Okay, so anyways, this will be something interesting to try today, is to try to do urban type photography with a manual focus lens. Now, one of the other things I've been playing around with, okay, is the picture controls. I think that's what it's called, the picture controls in the Z50 II, and I have set up a custom monochrome setting, okay, which you can do. You can manage your own picture controls. And I've been reading a little bit about this and listening some YouTube videos about the picture controls. But anyways, I set up a monochrome type picture control. So when I want to do some black and white type photography, okay, I've changed my camera settings. So it's shooting RAW plus JPEG, okay? So the JPEG images will be burnt, should be burnt in as a monochrome image, okay?
That glitz is what you're looking for. It doesn't matter where you set, like the agency and the glue. I always think
We are in Chattanooga today with David Sailors, the Georgia photographer, and this is him right there. And David's walking me around the town and show me the sights, and we're doing some photography. Now David is rocking the ZF with a, what lens is that?
it's about a 1966 Leica R-mount lens from back in the day. They had a SLR series of cameras, and this is one of those lenses. You can get this lens pretty cheap, actually. But it's 35 f2.8.
35 millimeter on a full frame, so he's doing really well. He brought a 28 2.8 vintage Nikon lens for me to try out, and I've shot with that for a while, and now I've moved over to the 16-50 kit lens, and I'm doing some photographs with that.
Yeah, there's a step there. They painted it.
That's the second time I've come off of a step. We just about got hit by a car back there.
Yeah, there was that. You'll see a lot of like country music stars play here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what you're going to see in this video is a lot of photographs and not much talking, okay? As I told you in a previous video I did, that I'm getting tired of talking about the technical settings of the camera in my photographs. I'm just going to let you enjoy the photographs. And, you know, I might mention the f-stop I'm using today or something like that, but I'm not going to get into the big details of all that. I'm just getting tired of it, really. So just enjoy the photographs, and I'll come back to you at the end of the video. So I just did 6 miles of photo walking with David Sailors, the Georgia photographer, and I had a really good time walking around Chattanooga and making all these photographs that I just showed you in the video. So I want to thank David for showing me around, and I surely will be back one of these days. Hope you liked the pictures that I took, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. I much appreciate that, and share the channel with some of your friends, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.